Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you will need a few essential tools: a P5 pentalobe screwdriver, a T5 Torx screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage from static electricity. Make sure to prepare your workspace by having a clean, flat surface to work on. 1. Start by powering off your MacBook completely. Disconnect any peripherals and unplug the power adapter. It's crucial to ensure that there is no residual power in the device. 2. Use the P5 pentalobe screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom case. There are typically 10 screws, so keep them organized for easy reassembly. Place the screws in a small container to avoid losing them. 3. Once all screws are removed, gently lift the bottom case off. You may need to use the spudger to carefully pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious and avoid applying too much force. 4. With the bottom case removed, locate the hard drive. It's usually situated near the center of the device. Disconnect the battery connector first to prevent any electric shock while working. 5. Next, use the T5 Torx screwdriver to unscrew the hard drive bracket. Depending on your MacBook model, there may be 2 or 3 screws. Remember to store these screws along with the others. 6. Carefully lift the hard drive out of its bay. Gently pull the SATA connector to detach it from the logic board. Take your time with this step, as pulling too hard can damage the connector. 7. Once removed, inspect the hard drive for any signs of wear or damage. If you are upgrading, ensure your new drive is compatible with your MacBook model. For cleaning, use a soft, lint-free cloth to remove any dust or debris from the interior of the MacBook. If you feel uncertain at any point or lack the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, which means you won't have to deal with any travel or calls. Just let us know, and we'll handle the rest. 8. After cleaning, place the new or existing hard drive back into the bay. Reconnect the SATA connector, ensuring it's secured in place. Then, reattach the hard drive bracket with the screws you previously removed. 9. Reconnect the battery connector and carefully replace the bottom case. Use the P5 pentalobe screwdriver to secure it back with the screws. Ensure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, as this could strip the screws. 10. Finally, power on your MacBook to check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide a quote before repair. This process may seem daunting, but with patience and care, you can successfully extract your hard drive. If you'd prefer professional help, we're here to assist you every step of the way. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.